So guys, Steve at iFix'em here. How you doing? Not too long ago, we had a customer come in and he had an oil change done at one of the drive-through places, and we did a video. And what had happened is they didn't put the seal in the right place, I forget, or there was no seal at all, and in a matter of like 2 days, all of his motor oil drained out and went bye-bye. And so we documented that for him and told him basically, looks like, those guys might have messed you up. And what had happened is it did, in fact, it came in, I think it had like a quart left, and then it was making a lot of noise. And we, changed the oil, took care of it, and it quieted down a lot. But any kind of load you could hear, there was bearing noise done, damage done to the bottom end, or rod bearings, crank bearings, or whatnot. So there was damage done to that engine, and because of the video, he got his engine replaced. He showed it to this place that serviced his oil change. He got his engine replaced for free. So this guy is very happy with us, of course. And that just goes to the point of what we do here comes to working on your cars. At iFix'em, our first priority is to solve your problem. So that is what we're looking to do. We are here to help our customers. I'm very glad that that video got this person's engine replaced, which it should have been. They screwed up. All it would have taken after the service was done for them to run the car to check the oil after the service was done. If they were running it, they would have seen it was just pouring out of here. And you can check our videos and you'll see that we did upload a video regarding that. And so I'm really happy for the dude. So he's got some other issue, or it may or may not be related to the engine replacement, where his temperature gauge isn't really working right and his fans are staying on. So I'm gonna check it out. It just may be a bad sensor, could be a bad gauge, a sensor might have got cracked in the engine replacement process. I don't know yet. Obviously not blaming anyone here for anything. Just saying that he's got a new problem, and I haven't gotten started on it yet. I just wanted to update, and it's really cool when you get to hear that, hey, a car got brought in, we were able to identify and basically prove that someone messed this up for him, and as a result of us checking it out and looking it over and him showing that video, the right thing was done, and that's a good feeling, and I'm pretty stoked about that. So let's see if we can handle his other problems. Y'all have a good week.